Welcome to the Enact Operator Dashboards video. This video introduces dashboard tiles that a shop floor operator might use to monitor their area of responsibility. Data collection tiles that list all data collections relevant to the current operator. Notification tiles that display messages regarding rule violations or timed data collections. And stream summary tiles that display a prioritized view of the data streams most in need of attention. Shop floor operators are very busy people. Their job demands that they focus on what's important right now, and that's exactly what Enact Operator Dashboards enable them to do. This is a typical data collection tile. It provides a simple graphical display of the data collections that the logged-in user is responsible for. The notification tile displays any statistical rule violations, specification limit violations, or timed data collections relevant to the operator. The alarm bell icon alerts operators when new notifications appear, and simply clicking the icon opens the notifications list. Operators can configure Enact tiles to hide extraneous information using the My Processes options. For example, operators who may work in a number of different areas can configure Enact to display data for the location or lines they are currently working on. As the areas of responsibility are reduced, the contents of the data collection and notification tiles also reduce accordingly. The Stream Summary tile displays data streams relevant to the user, prioritized according to performance. The subtiles only show streams that have either a statistical rule or specification limit violation, and they're sorted with the worst offender at the upper left. This helps operators focus on areas that demand attention. Clicking on the Stream Summary subtiles flips them to show more information. When needed, simply click View All to include the streams with no events. If there are a large number of streams, Enact's filtering capabilities provide a simple yet powerful way to quickly narrow down the list. Enact Stream Summary subtiles can display control charts, histograms, or event Pareto charts. Let's examine a sample control chart. The plot points in red show where there are concerns. You can display the individual results, and any items that are out of specification will be highlighted. This arrow indicates that the item is above the upper specification limit. You can also display the actual specification limit and expand the sidebar to provide additional information. Enact charts are designed to work well on mobile devices, including the familiar pinch and swipe functions for zooming and scrolling. PC users also have access to standard mouse and touchpad scroll and zoom functions. Full tabular data views of Enact data fields are within easy reach, including sortable columns and versatile filtering options. Users can also view histograms based on the Stream Summary subtiles. The Reports section has a wide variety of distribution statistics available. This Enact dashboard is designed to provide the critical information operators need to do their jobs while minimizing unnecessary distractions. Thank you for watching the Enact Operator Dashboards overview. You now have a better understanding of data collection tiles that list all data collections relevant to the current operator, notification tiles that display messages regarding rule violations or timed data collections, and the Stream Summary tile that displays a prioritized view of the relevant data streams most in need of attention. Be sure to watch the remaining modules in this series to learn how Enact can help deliver true quality intelligence to all users in your organization.